Way they go. Forest all. Danori inside. Ideal view from the outside. And moving up from the further outside is Lucky Lorky. It's now Forest all. Ideal view. Entry number 5, In Fairness, running in third by about 4 lengths. Carefree Treasure is running in fourth by Rajas Awesome. Also rushing up Tarlac on the further outside. Lucky Lorky, Stormy Norman. Senor G is running at the tail of the field. Forest all by Hapaland, followed by Ideal View in second. In Fairness, Carefree Treasure is running in fourth by rushing up Stormy Norman. Jazz Awesome is running in sixth and still moving up. And at the far turn, Forest all this time by a length and up. Ideal View, Stormy Norman on the further outside. It's now Forest all this time by about 3 lengths, followed by Ideal View is Stormy Norman. Danori inside. In Fairness, Just Awesome, and nearing the finish line. Forest all still leading by about 2 lengths. Ideal View, and finally Forest all, number 1, the horse of Mr. Puts Puyat. Second, Ideal View close. Stormy Norman, In Fairness for third and fourth. Then comes Just Awesome for your Fentafecta.
Okay, 1-3.